What if I told you that you can compose an entire soundtrack with the click of a button? With AIVA, that's now possible. Let's dive in to see how it works. AIVA is a revolutionary AI tool designed for creators. Whether you're making music for films, games, advertisements, or personal products, AIVA makes it easy to craft stunning, royalty-free compositions in just a few clicks. To get started, simply hit the Create Track button. From there, you have several options. You can create music based on a style, use a chord progression to shape your song, upload an audio file or MIDI track as inspiration, or go fully custom with a step-by-step workflow. Let's say I want to create a song based off a style. First, I'll select my preferred style and genre. Next, I'll choose the key signature and set the duration of my song. That's it. Once it's done, your track will appear right on your homepage, ready to tweak or download. If you want to compose using a chord progression, AIVA makes it easy. Pick a style, then edit the chords to fit your vision. You can even type in a prompt like a sad and slow pop progression. From there, you can tweak your chords or split them to add depth, giving you a solid baseline to build from. For a more hands-on approach, use the step-by-step workflow. Just like before, start selecting a style and chord progression. But this time, you can dive into AIVA's composition editor. Here you can customize layers, swap instruments, regenerate parts, or even edit notes individually. When you're happy with it, name your track, set the duration, and create your composition. Have an audio or MIDI file you want to use for inspiration? Simply upload it, select the parts you'd like to use as your influence, and let AIVA do its magic. And if you're not happy with your track, no problem. Just jump into the editor to tweak and refine it until it's perfect. Change the instruments, adjust layers, or completely rework the composition. And if you're feeling uncreative, AIVA has you covered with built-in radio stations. AIVA offers flexible pricing. The free plan lets you download up to 3 tracks per month. The €15 plan gives you 15 downloads monthly, and the Pro plan is €50 a month with 300 downloads and your own rights to all your tracks. If you chose annual billing, you'll save 33% as well, which is great for pro users. And if you want to go deeper, AIVA also has a tutorial tab with detailed guides on everything from creating drum and bass profiles to mastering the piano roll editor. It's a fantastic resource for taking your compositions to the next level. Whether you're a seasoned creator or a complete beginner, AIVA opens up endless possibilities for composing music. It's fast, intuitive, and packed with features to bring your ideas to life. And if you found this video helpful, feel free to hit the like and subscribe button for more videos on automation.